Hello, my name is Nez Tilson, and I'd like to show you in this short video how to use Stairdesigner software with AutoCAD. Now, there are certain things which we can't actually do in Stairdesigner. One of the things is, for instance, is how to add a bullnose step with a curved riser. Now I have my own special way of assembling the bullnose step and the bullnose riser into the newel post. So what I like to do, I'd like to show you here in AutoCAD how I usually assemble it. Now, in general, I like to make the first step a little bit wider than the other steps, and I like to put a curved riser, and the bullnose assembles on the exterior side of the newel post in a specific way. So if I show you, this is the actual plan which I draw up in AutoCAD. Now I've made a little, I'll show you here, this is the actual starting step with the first and the second risers, just to give you an idea of how I like to build this. So if I show you with some 3D, it gives this sort of effect. Now, Stairdesigner it's very difficult to make Stairdesigner respect these different proportions for the bullnose step, because Stairdesigner doesn't draw curved risers. Although I can put a curved bullnose step into the program, it does do parametric curved steps. The risers do not follow. So what I usually do is I build the riser very quickly in AutoCAD like this, and then I go into Stairdesigner. Let's put this back into automatic line drawing, and I go into Stairdesigner and I build the staircase, and I put the staircase back into AutoCAD and I add the step. So here's how I do it. Let's go into Stairdesigner. Now here I have a stair which has been designed. Typical quarter turn winder staircase, and here we have the starting step. Now what I'd like is to add modify the newel post position so that we can put in the starting step. Now I always have the same way that I do it. What I like to have is I like to have the newel post here. I like to put it back so that there's just 1 centimeter. It's 1 centimeter, or the second step. The nosing of the second step is 1 centimeter behind the edge of the newel post. So I'm just going to put this newel post back. I'm going to click here and I put in newel post, and you see here the position of the newel post is here. The position is 120 millimeters back from the end of the string board. What I would like to do is I would like to put it back, but I would like to put it back from the beginning of the first step. Now I see here the tread width is 285.2 millimeters. I'm just going to put it back now. I'll give another reference, which is not the string board but the first step, and I'm going to put it back here. I'm going to calculate the position so that the second nosing is 10 millimeters from the edge of the newel post. So that will give me 285.2 millimeters, and I'll just add 70 millimeters, and that will give me 355.2 millimeters, and I'm going to click OK, and the newel post is moved back into the position that I've calculated with just 1 centimeter offset from the second nosing. Once I've done this, I have my staircase, which is now, if I look in 3D, you can see that the newel post is set back, but the riser and the bullnose step are not in place. So this is no problem. I'm going to save the file as a 3D, a DXF 3D. So I'm just going to click in Export Stair to DXF 3D. I'm going to give it, I'm going to call this the bullnose DXF, and I'm going to go back into AutoCAD now. AutoCAD, I'm going to ask him to open the DXF file, which we've just created, which is called the bullnose DXF. And here we have the staircase in DXF inside AutoCAD, and we can see, let's put in some, we can see that the first step is as it was in Stairdesigner, and there is no bullnose step, and the riser is not curved. So we're just going to go, I'm going to explode this staircase because it's actually a AutoCAD block component. So just separate it out, and let's get rid of the riser and the first step. Right, here we have in AutoCAD, we have the drawing that I've made of the first bullnose step and riser. Let's put it into an isometric view. Now here we have the 3D element, and I'm just going to take this 3D element and I'm going to copy it, and we're going to put it into the drawing of Stairdesigner. So the first thing is I'm going to take a copy. I'm going to say that my base point is the base of the newel post here, and I'm going to copy the step and the riser. Now let's go into the Stairdesigner drawing. Here we have the Stairdesigner drawing, which is the DXF straight from Stairdesigner and been loaded into AutoCAD. And what I'm going to do is very simply, I'm going to press Control V, and we have here the step which comes from the other drawing. Let's just click it onto the end of the newel post. Well, here the step on the end of the newel post, and let's change. Let's give it some. We'll give it hidden line drawing so that we can see the staircase. And that's it. This is just easy. We've just put the first bullnose step into the onto the staircase that was made with Stairdesigner. If we look at, we can apply all the AutoCAD textures and lightings, and we can model any other details that we need in AutoCAD directly now on the staircase made by Stairdesigner. Let's just have a look at the whole thing in perspective. Let's get a perspective projection on it, and then let's have a look at the detail of the first step, which now corresponds perfectly, of course, with what we wanted. There you go. Right, thank you very much for looking at this video, and hope to be seeing you soon. Goodbye.